The race is close.
Wow, Chris! Wow! Wow, Chris!
G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, and welcome back to my channel, the Car Wash Chronicles. We got Edwin back.
Of course,
always. And what are we doing today? We're gonna paint the stairs in my big truck bay at Main Street. We have a bit of an issue. Edwin's got his way of, in his mind, on how to paint it.
No, it's not like that.
I have my way on how I want to paint it. So we got a bit of a debacle. We're gonna get there in a couple of minutes and explain to you guys, and maybe you can comment which way was better, because I want to roll it on and paint it.
Explain him, not me.
And he wants to spray it with a thing, spray machine.
Yeah, it's a spray paint machine.
That's going to go everywhere, and it's not going to get all the crevices. You know, I think I'm right, but he's going to do one side his way, I'm going to do one side my way, and see which way is better. So
and see who finished first.
Place your bets in the comments. But we're going to stop off at Harbor Freight and get my roller, so I can roll it on the right way.
I don't need that.
He doesn't even need it. He just needs an expensive paint machine. Harbor Freight tools. So let's go get my painter. Bin store. Never knew bin stores existed. Should I park like this guy?
Let's do it.
Get on in there. We want paint, not welders.
Wow, this is the way to go there.
Alright, so what do we need? We need one of these. $3. It's coming out of your paycheck.
Okay.
Get two.
Just in case you break one.
And then we have one of these, so let's grab two of these.
Okay. $5.29.
Oh my god. Inflation. These are $3.79.
Okay.
Why pay more when we don't have to? Alright, so we got all full bays, all full vacuums, so we're making money. So these are the stairs. There's a customer in there right now, but when they pull out, we'll get a better look at them. Alright, so explain to the viewers what your plan is to paint this side.
As far as my plan goes, I'm gonna paper the wall. You guys see over here, I'm gonna paper all these things to protect the wall. And I'm gonna go all the way, and that's it. And it's gonna be ready to go.
Well, you're gonna have to put paper all over the back wall, right? Because if you spray this, I don't want it all over the wall.
I can go around here and paint it that way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, whether it works or not, I don't know, but we'll see.
Alright, what is your plan as far as painting?
Edwin just explained what he wants to do, but I don't really want to do it that way. I just have rollers and paint, you know, and just roll it on. Like that. I think that's going to be a lot more cleaner, maybe even quicker, because you don't have to worry about putting paper down on the ground. And, you know, because I don't want it to get everywhere, because when it gets on the ground, it looks tacky. So that's basically my plan. Just going to paint it the old school way with this roller and the paintbrush. So that's how we're going to do it. We're going to see the results at the end. Chuck down in the comments who you agree with. If these were your stairs, would you do it Edwin's way or would you do it my way? Alright, so we're keeping it simple, nothing crazy here. We're just using black paint, so we're just going to paint these stairs black. I think, you know, that's going to look good. I could have gone like red or something to match the roof and the stripe on the wall, but I didn't want to be too obnoxious, so we'll stick with black. Edwin, you dropped your pen. So you can see it's very windy, so again, it's going to be hard to put the paper. The wind's also going, when you're spraying it, the wind's just going to blow it. Anyway, I'll probably be done by the time you're done with the paper, so. He's getting mad. He's getting angry.
It's kind of working.
So I don't have a rolling tray, so I'm just going to use this. We've got to improvise in life. let's check it out so far. I mean, this is what I've done. You know, and then I'm gonna get the brush to get the corners here, of course. You know, brush the corners. And that's how it's gonna look. How's the progress coming along? Good?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Place your bets down below. Who's gonna win? Wow, how's it going over here? A lot better than you.
Okay.
Not bad, right?
Yeah, let me know when you get in that point, okay? You're gonna ask for help.
Oh no.
Okay?
Piece of cake.
I mean, it's a little windy, but that's not gonna stop me. I'm gonna get it done.
It's not going to stop you, but will it stop the paint from going everywhere?
Just watch, bro. Just watch the show. What's ready?
Meanwhile, down under. Meanwhile, down under in Australia, we are a quarter of the way done. Yep, almost finished. Let's go get an update. Where you at?
The wind is making everything so difficult.
The wind?
Yeah.
Oh, the wind's fine. It's not doing anything.
Well, yeah.
The wind
Making my job harder, bro.
Ah, the wind's not bothering me at all. It's nice.
Oh yeah.
Keep me cool.
I know. It's okay.
This is the update. This is what we got so far. I mean, it doesn't look like much now, but once it's all done, it's obviously going to look pretty good, I think. I hope. Okay, so since Edwin was falling behind and struggling, he came up with an idea. What is it?
Behind. I never say behind. You say behind. So the wind, it's a big factor right now. It's slowing me down. I believe it's. I can get it done, but since it's windy, no. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this piece of the board, and I'm gonna go by sections. I'm gonna be painting by sections. As soon I get done that part, I'm gonna move, and you know, I'm gonna get it done with this piece of cardboard. You see how I get it done. No worries. Woo! I'm the winner.
Oh, what do you got there? Breaking out the machine? Didn't even turn it off from last time.
You look mad now, Chris.
Oh, nah.
Look, this is gonna be so quick.
Broken. Ah. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. I'd hold it and help him, but this is a challenge. This is my side. I'm like almost halfway done.
The paint with the brush is not gonna go through there. You see the rails right there, and the stairs and the steps. That's gonna be hard to go through with the paint.
No,
Understand what I'm saying?
No, just paintbrush. Roller, paintbrush. It'll be fine. Trust me, you'll see. Just watch and find out.
Wow, Chris, I'm halfway already. What's going on, Chris? Woo! It's a little challenge because, like you say, it sprays all over the place. But if you do it careful,
Yeah.
I mean, I'll get it done.
Just looking at the job so far, I mean, it comes out pretty good, of course. Nice and even and smooth. I guess we're painting these.
Of course.
And then this is me so far.
Wow, Chris, why it looks like we are in the same. What do you think about your job?
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta have the patience. I'm pretty sure you're having the patience. I want to get it done quick, and I want to be professional at the same time. That's why I was doing the paper. But since there's too much wind, it's really hard and make it so difficult.
Why do you want to do it quick? You got somewhere to go?
Well, we got a party tonight.
Ah, fiesta!
Or fiesta.
And today's Tuesday, and I wanted to do it on a Tuesday because typically it's the quietest day of the week where there's no customers, because it always sucks to block off a bay when you're busy. So obviously I couldn't do this on the weekend, so we waited till Tuesday, and it's been crazy busy. There was like a car waiting before, and I felt bad for having the bay down, but we've already started, so just gotta get it done.
How do you say? Now it's going fast.
Wow, all over my sign.
Ever. The wing is blowing off.
We're getting close. I'm probably like 60%, 70% of the way there. Let's check it out. I've done the whole front of mine. I just got to do the back side, but that's how it's going to look. Wow, what a mess.
No, it's coming along very nice, bro. I mean, a little splash here, there, but come on, man. It's not a new paint. I can't always paint it, you know. I can't always paint it back.
The race is close.
Wow, Chris. Wow. Wow, Chris. Wow, look at the job. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that.
Pretty good,
oh
huh?
my God, nobody wants to come anymore to Bay 4, brother.
It's gonna be a lie. It's gonna be
Look
a
at
lie.
that, look at that. Oh my God. Oh no, look at that. Oh my God, Chris.
Nice.
What's going on right here, Chris? You hungry? We can go eat, bro.
No, I'm full.
Well, it looks like you hungry, bro. Look at that.
Check it out.
Oh my God. Oh, no bueno. No bueno, please. Please.
So good.
So good?
Even the little cars are gonna want to use this bay.
Oh, I don't think so, brother. I don't think so. See what you did out there?
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay.
See? Still got to touch it up.
Okay. Look at how you get it done, brother. Pay attention. You having 4K? You see? You see that? You see that?
I don't think it's any better or any worse. It's just whatever.
Bingo.
Yeah, same as mine.
The audience is they're gonna vote at the end, you know. They're gonna
They will vote.
Oh yeah.
Are they going to vote for you or me? Probably me, because that's nice. Points deducted for that.
That's not. That's not.
So now we'll just touch up this with the paintbrush, make it look all pretty. Kind of. There we go, slap it on. All right, not that I asked for the help, but you know, he just sprayed it all, and it looks okay.
Looks great.
So
It's alright. It doesn't hurt.
no, it's
I
fine.
mean, it's okay to be number 2, bro.
No, it's not number 2. It's just
it's okay to be right behind
it
me.
would have looked fantastic if I painted it with the thing.
It's alright.
You know, it would have looked really good, but it's getting late. I got a 2-hour drive home back to LA. You know, let's just get this done. All right, here we go.
Can you kind of hold it here? Since you're not doing anything.
think we're on the home stretch. We just got this last step to do.
Well guys, at the end of the day we ended up using my machine. Thank you.
So we're like 95% done. You know, we got paint all over the walls. But you know what? That's what happens when you buy cheap labor. Alright, we're done. We are covered in paint. You can see we are completely covered. Not completely covered, that's over exaggerating, but you're probably clean, right?
Look at that.
Oh,
All sprinkled.
battle wound. Let's check out the final result and see how we did. Who won?
Let's check it out.
So we are done after what, 3 hours?
3 hours and a half.
3.5
Probably,
hours?
Yeah, not bad.
You know, I'm kind of happy with it. It looks much better.
Of course.
In the end, you won, and you
Okay.
came to assist me with the whole spray gun.
Yes.
But we got the job done.
No, I think it's about teamwork. You know, we mess around in the beginning, but at the end of the day, we are a team, and that's what we do. We support each other, we help each other, and at the end of the day, everything come out perfect. So don't forget, like and subscribe, guys. If you guys like the video, you know, just give it a like. You know, please follow us and either TikTok, Instagram. A big support from you guys. We really appreciate that.
That's right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Chris Act with the Car Wash Chronicles. Adios, amigos.